Now we have certain terminologies about assets. So what is an asset? So in the beginning we told you hardware, software, and the data. These are the three more important assets for it. There's a one important terminology which is used in information security, which is called vulnerability. Vulnerability is a weakness. So any weakness in a security system is called a vulnerability. So this is very important word. Maybe it's the first time you have heard this word. So vulnerability means a zof. Zof means weakness. Weakness in a system, a security system. For example, in procedure, maybe in some function you write it, there is a problem in it. Sometime in design of a program. Sometime in the implementation of security policies, you did not implement it properly over there. So that might be exploited to cause loss or harm over there. So there can be a problem over there. A particular system may be vulnerable. A system can be like vulnerable to unauthorized data manipulation because the system does not verify a user identity before allowing the data access over there. So if your system is not verifying the user identity, so you can lose the information over there. So this is one of the vulnerabilities. So the example is that a particular system is a vulnerable. So you can call as a vulnerable if some unauthorized person, if there is if a person come to your university and he is not a student and he comes and access SIS system. So it means there is a problem in our SIS system in that case. So that is a vulnerability over there. What is a threat? So these are the different concepts over there. So threat means khatar. So means like what's the problem? So threat means a computer system is a set of circumstances that has the potential to cause a loss or harm. Okay. So threat means any time when you can cause a harm or a threat or loss for your system, we call as a threat. So it can be a revealing user personal files to the public as well. So what is an attack? So there is a difference between threat and attack. So attack is an action basically which exploits a vulnerability. So there is a like weakness in your system, and attacker comes and see that yes, I can enter into the system by this way. So he launch an attack over there. So in the case of attack, you compromise your file servers, authentications, you can go inside the system, attempt, you can access, you can modify the data as well. The third thing is a control. So control means is an action or it can be a device you put so that the attackers cannot come. It can be a firewall, it can be an intrusion detection system, or it can be procedure, some laws, regulations, or some techniques so that to remove or even to reduce the vulnerability or the weakness over there. So control is a remedy for the threat and attack over there. So how we can use these three words in a very good sentence? So we can use these three words in a very interesting sentence that a threat is blocked. See, so a threat is blocked. This one, see, by a control. This one, see, a control of a vulnerability. Okay, to prevent an attack. Right. So to prevent an attack. So in the one relation, you will understand that what is the difference between the threat, control, and attack over there. So a threat is blocked. So this is blocked. So a threat is a circumstance. Circumstance means it's a set of conditions, it's a set of circumstances. Okay, so you need to block that circumstances so that you can control the vulnerability to prevent an attack over there.